Bonjour, we are back again with our lesson 5. We were doing le vocabulaire and les exercices in textbook. We did the exercises of putting it into plural, changing into plural by changing a and un to des, they. Un livre, des livres in your textbook, page 50, 51 and 52. Okay, 50, 51 and 52 of lesson 5, that is lesson 5. Les objets means the objects that you use in your school bag and at your classroom or in your bag, and indefinite article un and they. And un means singular, masculine and feminine, and they is some, plural of and un, and it irrespective of masculine or feminine. Un avion, des avions. Then you have une orange, des oranges. Okay, by putting des and s at the end of the object. Now on page number 51, we have matched the following. Réalisez les colonnes A, that is this side, and B, that is this side. This side the object pictures are given and you have to match with their respective names. Then you can identify with the picture and the singular and plural of it, un or un or they. First picture is of regular, that is ruler, and they are two. So the regular or they regular, that is F. We will match this picture with F. Then stilo. Stilo will go with astilo, that is E. Then une bouteille d'eau, a bottle of water. Where it will go? G. Third picture of bottle will go with G. Second picture of stilo will go with E. First picture will go with F. Fourth one is an eraser, une gomme, it will go with A. Un ballon, it will go with B. Des crayons, because it is more than one, so it will go with D. And une trousse, a compass box, it will go with C. You have to draw lines with the help of pencil and scale. Now question 5 on page 52. Identifiez les objets de la classe. Identify the objects in the classroom. You have been given some things and you have to write their names here, and it has been shown by red line, and you have to write the name in French. First one is une chaise. Chairs are given and we have given the example as une chaise. Our example is given. Now what is this? A book. Book is known as, okay, our textbook is known as cahier and notebook is livre. Here if we see clearly the picture, the textbooks are open and we have to write un cahier. If notebooks were there, then un livre or des livres. Then we have one identification here, a wall clock. Wall clock is horloge, une horloge, because it is feminine. Now this one, school bag, un cartable. Then compass is shown. What is compass? Une trousse. So we write in blank trousse. And the last one, it is here, pen. estilo. Okay. So in lesson 5, exercise 1 to 5 to be written, and 6th is the listening one, which we are not going to do. But yes, I'm going to read this GK on page 53. It has 2-3 pictures and giving the information. First one is of euro. Euro is the currency of France. As we have rupees here, dollar in America, Australian also has dollars. Then Japan has yen. Okay. Then we have pound in European countries. Some European countries use euro, like France use euro. Okay. Then second picture over here. Flag of France, le drapeau français, the French flag. Le drapeau français is tricolor, blue, white and red. Yes, drapeau tricolore, bleu, blanc et rouge, blue, white and red. Then third picture here, le 14 juillet, the National Day of France. July 14th, le 14 juillet is the Republic Day of France. Right? We have 26th January as Republic Day and 15 August as Independence Day. Number 4 is about how many of you can speak French. Besides France, French is spoken in many parts of the world like Canada, Switzerland and Algeria. Je parle français. I speak French. Yes, you all are learning, so you also are speaking French. And the last picture here, the 5th one, is fashion, mode, mode. One of the first modern couturier was Charles Frederick Worth, whose house of Worth opened in Paris in 1858. See how old it is. The oldest fashion house of Worth by Charles Frederick Worth. Alright, so this was your GK. Now we are doing the workbook exercises of Lesson-5 we have in our book. Okay, we have Lesson-5 on page number 26. Les Objets. Here also we are matching the picture and the name. Okay, Relisez les colons, or the question is qui est. Qui est means who is this, who are they. Okay, and then we have to do matching. Say Madame Arnaud, say Monsieur Arnaud, ce sont Pierre et Paul, ce sont Madame Arnaud et Monsieur Arnaud, c'est Pierre. Now say Madame Arnaud, only a lady's name is given, so picture 3, A will go with 3. Say Monsieur Arnaud, only Mr. Arnaud, B will go with 5. Say ce sont Pierre et Paul, 2 boys, Pierre et Paul, here number 2. Ce sont Madame Arnaud et Monsieur Arnaud, both the name of the couples, so they should be together, that is 1. D is 1. Say Pierre, that is number 4. Okay. Now we'll go to second exercise. Remplacez les blancs avec ces or ce sont. Say will be followed by un union de if the objects are given. If a single name is given, then it is only say and the name of that person. And if it is plural for objects, it would be ce sont des. Ce sont des. Okay. First one here is A. Dash yun gong means a or an. That is an eraser, then we will use say. C''est. It is an eraser, or this is an eraser. Now détruits means plural. Then what would be for plural? Ce sont des trous. These are some compass box. These are some compass boxes. I am sorry, I said box, but it is boxes. Say. A ballon is given means we have to put say. C''est. Again, a crayon. Again, we put C''est. And the last one is des stylos. Some pens. Then, ce sont des stylos. Okay. Now, here you have to circle the picture which is correct. How will you circle? First, read the sentence, what is asked, and then identify the picture and make a small circle in that picture. Okay? Entourer la bonne image. Circle the correct picture. What is first one? It is c'est une maison. C'est une, this is a house, a single house. And you have a single house and so many houses. So you will circle on a single house. What is B? Ce sont des fleurs. A picture of a single flower and picture of many flowers. Ce sont des. These are some. Means more than one. So you are going to circle the picture which has so many flowers. Ce sont des fleurs. These are some flowers. C. C'est un dauphin. C'est un means a dolphin. Ce sont des dauphins is not given, so only single dolphin picture we are going to circle it. C'est une robe. This is a dress. A single dress to be circled. And last one, ce sont des filles means these are some girls. Some means plural, so a picture who's having many girls, circle that. You have to circle it. Okay, now you have to put un union de in this exercise on page 28 of your workbook. Remplacez les blancs avec des articles indéfinis. Fill in the blanks with indefinite articles. What are they? Un union de. You have to put it. For that you should know that your objects are masculine or feminine. How will you do that? It is given in your textbook Le Vocabulaire of Lesson-5. So you can identify that it is an or une and fill this blank up. Okay. Say dash taille crayon. Taille crayon is masculine. Un taille crayon. UN. First blank. C'est un taille crayon. Second blank. Ce sont horloge. These are some wall clocks. What is some? DESD. Then you put DESD in the second blank. Third blank. Say dash cartable. Cartable is school bag and it is masculine. C'est un cartable. UN. And again number D. Say dash trous. That is compass box which is feminine. UNE. C'est une trousse. Fourth one. Ce sont dash table. These are some tables. Some DESD. So the sequence is un, des, un, une, des. Now we have some singular masculine items, some singular feminine items, and some say plural. Whichever is missing, we are going to fill up this box. Okay, we have this singulier, pluriel, annual. Underline that word and write an I. A single I, annual. A pair of two I's, Desy, Desyeux. Desy. You have in your alphabet chapter Lesson-5 from the alphabet Y. Okay? Desy. Then we have here Defy. Defy is given. What will you write here? Unfear. Unfear. U-N-E, un and fear. Okay? Thank you. We will continue with your exercises in next chapter. Till then, au revoir.